Hi everyone! Starting today, we will do free math and geometry tutoring from basics all the way to the college and university. I will teach you detailed and understandable ways to solve the problems of math and geometry. What is math? Math is a science and study of the numbers. There are 4 basic arithmetic operations in math, and those operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First of all, we will learn some important math vocabulary that we use always. Like if you have the problem that says find the difference between two numbers, or it says what is the sum of the numbers, you need to know which operation you need to do. Let's start from addition. 8 plus 2 equals 10. What is 10 in this case? 10 is the sum of these two numbers. 8 plus 2 equals 10. If you have a problem that says find the sum of two numbers, you know already you need to add. How do we call the answer for subtraction? Let's see, 8 minus 2 equals 6. How do we call the answer for subtraction? What operation did we do? We subtract. We found the difference between these two numbers. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. The answer for subtraction we call difference. In this case, 6 is the difference between 8 and 2. Now for multiplication. How do we call the answer for multiplication? Let's multiply first. 8 times 2 equals 16. How do we call 16 in this case? If there is a problem that says find the product of two numbers, that means you need to multiply. So the answer for multiplication we call product. Now we're gonna go to the next operation, fourth operation, which is division. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. We call this dividend, divisor, and the answer is quotient. Now you know all answers for basic arithmetic operations in math. So for addition, we call it sum. For subtraction, we call it difference. For multiplication, we call it product. For division, we call it quotient. Okay, in all math problems, mostly we do these 4 operations. Addition is simple, we just add two numbers. Subtraction is the opposite of addition, we take away numbers. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, let's see 8 times 2. As an addition, we can write this like this. 2 plus 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of writing all the way 2 plus 2 plus 2, we can write this as 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. Or we can write this like 8 plus 8. This is also equals 2 times 8, or equals to 16. So we have the same answer. Now you know multiplication is repeated addition. What about division? Usually multiplication and division, like addition and subtraction, are opposite to each other. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Here we add repeatedly. For division we subtract. Let's say this example, we have 8 divided by 2. If we subtract 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. How many times we subtract out of 8 to get to 0? We subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we got 0. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and it's also repeated subtraction. But we don't use this mostly. We use grouping. Division is as grouped into equal numbers. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's say we have 8 apples. We have to divide them into equal 2 groups. 1 group and 2 groups. How many apples do we have in each group? It must be equal numbers. So we have 4 apple in this group and 4 apple in this group. So we have 2 groups of apples. Each group has 4 apples. This is another way to explain this operation, division. So this is the very, very beginning and basic of the numbers. Also, I would like to show you how do we show the numbers on number line. The middle is 0. All numbers come from negative infinity and go to positive infinity. This side of the 0 are positive numbers. Left side of the 0 are negative numbers. If we add the numbers, they going to the right and getting bigger. If we subtract the numbers, they going to the left and they will become smaller. So this is very, very basic of the math. For today, this is enough. Later, we're gonna use this math operations in different problems we will solve together. Thank you for your attention. Bye.